Hello viewers, welcome to Job Creations. Latest job update is from Genpact. Genpact is conducting virtual drive on 13th and 14th October for the job role of Process Associate and Senior Process Associate. Any graduate can apply for this position. Both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible. Before going into the details of this particular opening, kindly subscribe to Job Creations channel for latest job updates. Genpact is going to conduct a virtual drive for 2 days, that is on 13th October and 14th October from 11 am to 3 pm onwards for the job role of Process Associate and Senior Process Associate positions. They are hiring for Hyderabad location. Good communication skills are required for this position and you should be flexible to work in US shift. There will be 5 days working and 2 week offs. Your main responsibilities include process purchase requisition and supplier setup, handle email inquiries with internal customers as well as external vendors, delivering professional, effective, high quality service and assistance before, during and after the customer's requirements are met. Keep records of customer interactions, recording details of inquiries, complaints and comments as well as actions taken. Act as liaison pertaining to accounts payable team. Develop communication between customers to have a smooth transaction. You should have ability to perform and resolve query of a customer to build a better relationship. Supervise a generic email box for incoming queries and acknowledge them as per SLA. Keep track of all requests received either through ticket or manual tracker for efficiency and follow-up purposes. Request functional teams to provide quicker resolutions, follow up with suppliers, vendors whenever required. Provide periodic updates to users, impacted parties on the status of the ticket issue raised. Transfer or raise inquiries to appropriate teams for resolution. These are the main responsibilities of this particular job role. If you're interested for these positions, you can definitely attend the virtual drive that they are going to conduct tomorrow and day after. I am providing the link in the description box. You too once go through the entire job description. Here they have mentioned the Zoom ID and even they have shared the Zoom link also. If you're interested, you can definitely attend the virtual drive through this. All the best to all of you. Stay tuned to Job Creations.